Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial, an old-fashioned YouTube tutorial. So I really wanted to use the more neutral side of this palette because it is a very versatile palette. So you have really fun pops of color, but you also have some really gorgeous neutral shades that I was just really excited to play with this palette in general, so I created this look using it. And I also wanted to do a warm tone up top, cool tone on the bottom, and use a little bit of the blues in this palette. So I dipped into a lot of the colors, just not some of the super bright ones today. But I wanted to show you guys this look and just kind of hang out. I really enjoyed filming this video because I did do it in voiceover mode. I know some people don't really care for it, but for me, I love just to sit down and play with makeup and like blare music and have fun. So that's what I did today. I hope you guys enjoy, and leave me some comments down below letting me know what looks you'd like me to do next on my channel. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss out on any content from me in the future. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into the tutorial. So I'm using the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, of course, and I'm first dipping into the shade Parched. This is a perfect transition shade for my skin tone. I just love the way it looks on my skin. I think it does show up a little bit darker on my skin than it does look in the pan, but I really like it because you can build it up and it builds quite nicely to make the perfect transition shade. So I'm just using this on both eyes to build up that color and really have something good for all the other colors to blend into so we can really have a nice seamless blend. Next, I'm dipping into the shade Subtle, which is a really pretty darker brown, and I'm really going to focus this in the outer V of my eye and blend it in, because the way I have this look envisioned, I really want a beautiful gradient of deep to light colors. When your look all comes together, the more time you spend blending in the outer corner and really making sure that all the colors blend together seamlessly, the better result you're going to have. So it's really important for me to take the time and actually blend it to perfection. Next, I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm using this to cut my crease. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a little bit on my eyelid and then just looking up, and that'll tell me where I need to cut it so that you can see the shade if you're looking straight at my face without me closing my eyes. I have to take it up pretty high because my eye shape is pretty small, but this is what works for me, and I just am able to blend that concealer out so you have that nice place to lay down your new shade. I'm taking Filthy Rich on my finger, which is just a beautiful rich gold shade. I'm using it with my finger because it is like more of like a glitter, so you need to use either a glitter glue or just stick it on top of something with your finger or use it wet. I prefer to use it dry and just pack it on with my finger. It still looks absolutely stunning. So I just go in and put that wherever we put that concealer, where we cut our crease, and then I did take a brush and kind of fix it on the corners and make sure that it all blended together. So then I go in and I kind of blend the gold in with the other shades. So I use a little bit of Kumquat and Stroke and blend these into that gold shade to really make it look like it fades into the pretty Filthy Rich shade. Then I took the white shade out of the Carly Bybel BH Cosmetics palette and used that to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I love using that shade to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone because it really gives me that shine that I want, and it really went with this look because I needed that pop. So this is what we have so far. I really like the way it's looking, but I want to do something on the lower lash line using the blues. So I'm going to first take Parched and a little bit of Subtle and run that on my lower lash line just to get some color down. Then I'm going to go in with a really flat brush and I'm going to take Submerge and pack that on the lower lash line to really bring out the pops of blue, and then go back in and blend it out with Parched again just to make sure it's nice and blended. I'm using a little bit of nude eyeliner in my waterline to really brighten up my eye. That one's just by Rimmel. It's supposed to be a waterproof nude eyeliner pencil. It's not my favorite, but it gets the job done. I curled my lashes and applied my mascara, upper lash line and lower lash line mascara, using my Essence Lash Princess mascara. So this is the finished look, guys, and I hope you enjoyed seeing how I created it. I got a lot of compliments on it when I wore it out, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing me create this and just hang out with me while I do it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss out on any content from me in the future. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel and it's really hard to grow your channel on YouTube nowadays. I don't know if that's just me, but it feels like it's really hard. But anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching and being here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!